Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I trust everyone had a happy new year. I know I really enjoyed mine. Before New Year's ended, I did a video on deep water culture and I was thinking, can you take a plant that has already been started in soil and move it into deep water culture? Well, today we're about to find out. So, over the holiday, I was doing some research on hydroponics, specifically deep water culture. Deep water culture is a special type of hydroponics where you can grow plants with their roots submerged in an aerated nutrient solution. So, the deep water culture kit that I got from Mars Hydro a couple videos back is exactly what that is. And I also did some research to see if you can take a plant that was started in soil and grow it in the solution. And it can be done. So, this cabbage that you're looking at and a tomato plant that I have sitting out in my garden that's not doing well, I'm going to see if I can grow those in the deep water culture. The first thing I need to do is to remove the plants from the soil. So we're going to do that. All right, we're going to remove the staking poles. And for the time being, we're going to lay them here. Remove any dead leaves. And there's some more. Next, we're going to move around the root of the plant, being careful, trying not to hit any of the roots. And we're going to dig it up. I'm going to try to get as much of the soil from the roots as I can before I go in the house and rinse it off. Okay, that's one. And we're going to go over and do the same thing to the tomato. Okay, we're inside my home in the kitchen, and I'm gently going to rinse the roots with water, trying to get as much of the soil off as possible. Also, give the plant a quick rinse to try to remove any white flies or anything like that. And then I'm going to place it in a container of water. And do the same thing for the cabbage. Cabbage actually has more roots than the tomato, which is kind of surprising. And I guess that explains why the tomato was struggling. Okay, now we're going to give the cabbage a drench to get any unwanted critters off. And we're going to place the roots into the same container that the tomato plant is in. Okay, we're going to move this out of the way for now. Okay, I have 2 of the sponges, and I'm going to make a slice. Trying to be careful not to cut all the way through. The purpose of this is to kind of have like a collar around the root of the plant so that it will stand up better. Almost. Okay, that should do it. Okay, we're going to take the cabbage and place the sponge on it. Or try and place the sponge on it without breaking the root or anything like that. And we're going to place it into the 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to take the clay pebbles and place it around it. And we're going to go slowly around the plant, placing the pebbles. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're going to do The same thing for the tomato. We're going to, with this one, we want as much as we can to be in the solution, the nutrient solution. So we're going to try and get most of the stalk and the roots covered. If you remember, with the tomato, if the more you submerge, the more roots it will grow. Okay, this one, have it there. And we're going to take our pebbles and surround it like we did the cabbage. Small on this side. There, and there. This will help with the reflection and also make sure that the solution doesn't get exposed to the sun or anything that will damage it. I probably should have put this one on first with the cabbage. See, do it without damaging anything. On. There we go. Two. Let's see if we can get this one. And the last one. Make sure that was the right. If I forgot, I have, as I stated, I have all the nutrients in. And all I really need to do is plug this in. And hopefully, if I did everything right, you can hear it bubble. And this one is bubbling too. This has a air control, so I can make it quieter, or I can make it louder. I can add more air into the solution. So I'm going to move this into my grow tent, and I'll show you on the final. So both of the pots are now in their final location. Um, and as you can see, I have raised the grow lamp up some. Not quite finished with what I'm doing inside yet, but this is where the plants are going to be. And hopefully, um, in about a month, we'll come back and do an update, and you'll see that we have some much larger plants. So keep my fingers crossed. Thank you for watching. If you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in anything that was used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. Both of the links are listed in the description portion of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of things, a lot of food for myself and my family by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like bell. Hit the like button and the notification bell, all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So remember, even in small spaces, such as one like mine, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.